Well, one of the big stories here around Windows 7 is, ubiquity in hardware. And I'm here with Sue Borden. You're our hardware guru today here at the pre-launch, I guess, here in Toronto. So Windows 7, I guess the big story is it pretty much runs on anything. You don't have to go buy new hardware, right?
That's right.
And why is that? Has it been optimized, or what's Windows 7 got that Vista didn't have?
Yeah, well, the operating system is a lot leaner. So we've made some really big improvements in terms of how the operating system is working.
Right.
It starts up faster, shuts down faster. It's better battery power.
Battery powered. Okay.
I'm sorry.
Let's keep going.
Say that
Right.
5 times
That's
fast.
right.
Yeah. And just less alerts. I mean, these are all things that we hear from consumers.
Yeah.
They said, give me my PC experience the way that I want it, make it work the way I want it to.
Yeah.
Fewer alerts now with Windows 7.
Right. Well, once upon a time you had to go out and when a new version of Windows came out, you had to go get a new machine pretty much to make it run the way it was supposed to run, right? Not so here. So you can run all machines, but then there's a whole new crop of new hardware because of some key features. Touch is a big thing.
Touch is a huge thing,
Yeah.
and touch is really exciting because it really basically allows users to interact with their PC in a much more natural way. So they can actually use their fingers, and not just one finger, but multi-fingers to do things on their PC.
So it's a multi-touch functionality, so what you can touch and rotate and expand and...
Yeah, and it's a really great way, and a nice feature in terms of how you look at your photographs, so you can blow them up, expand them, do different things with them, so it's really neat. And in terms of surfing the internet, that's another great application for touch because you can, in your kitchen, a lot of people actually have their PC in their kitchen today.
Right.
And the touch PCs really lend itself to that environment because you can tuck them away. You don't need to have a keyboard and mouse sitting on your counter. So, and it's a great way for you to be able to, go out on the web, look up recipes and that sort of thing. So the touch PC is a great PC form factor for the kitchen.
I noticed that Sony has a new touch form factor for the kitchen, the Sony Vaio, that sort of thing.
Yes.
So we'll have a quick look at that.
Yes.
But that's really cool because it means that HP came out with the first touch large format. Now Sony's doing it, so obviously touch is going to be a trend this year.
Yes.
Let's talk a bit about mobile and ultra mobile. I know NetBooks obviously runs Windows 7 now, right?
Yes, it does. It does.
And I guess so. And we heard Steve Ballmer say this morning that the 64-bit operating systems are not the only future because of the Atom processor, the Intel, the micro small processor that works inside of netbooks. Windows 7's actually running on that. And so, do you get a good experience on those devices too?
Absolutely, and you can see that we've actually got one here today that we can take a look at. But that's really what it's all about. I think with Windows 7, what's really important is that we're making technology available for everybody. And so no matter what your budget range is, starting from a netbook all the way up to a higher end gaming PC, for example, there's literally something for everybody.
Very cool. Sue Borden here in Toronto, the Windows 7 launch, hardware for everybody on Windows 7.